Hi everyone. Let's talk about the Revolved Boss Base command. If you click on the Revolve Boss Base command, the first thing it'll ask you to do is create a sketch on which to create the feature, or to pick an existing sketch. As you can see in the graphics area, I already have a sketch, and so I'm going to go ahead and use that. Note that the sketch contains a center line as well as actual sketch geometry. As we click the command, SOLIDWORKS will automatically recognize the only center line as the axis of revolution, and proceeds to preview a 360-degree revolve of the profile shape that I had. Now, if I don't want to go 360 degrees, I don't have to. You can see I can step that back to any number of degrees that I want. Additionally, I could choose to spread that out across a midplane. Or like my boss extrude command, I could send it up to a vertex or to another surface if one existed. Also, like the boss extrude command, we have a direction 2 available to us that allows us to extrude in the opposite direction. In our case, we'll just pick a singular direction and make it 360 degrees. We also have the option to create a thin feature out of our sketch. If I edit the sketch and restore the construction geometry, and now go back to the Revolve Boss Base command, again it'll prompt me to pick a sketch, this time asking me if I would like the sketch to be automatically closed. In this case, since I want to create a thin feature, I'm going to say no. There you can see the resulting thin body that I would receive. We'll bump this back to 270 just so we can see inside of it. So that's a little bit about the Revolve Boss Base command.